everyone, to show you how to use the hotel safe. This is the hotel safe. To use it, you put in any code that you must remember. So I'm gonna put a 4-digit code for this one. Found. Then you can. Oh, look, it closes it. See. To open it, you just go put in the same code. Now the thing retracted and now it's open. Okay, so to close it, you put that, close that, and you put the 4-digit code. Pound. Now it's closed. See, now it's closed. Now to open that, you put in the same code. Pound key. Now open, you can open. Alright, so any numbers that you want 4-digit, but just make sure you remember your code, otherwise you're screwed. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.